Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually download Instagram photos for free. Very easy guys, very simple. For example, I want to download this amazing photo, right? How are we going to go about it? All you gotta do is to click on the three dots on the upper corner of the image, and then you want to select the second button, which is link. Just click on the button link. As you can see, we just copied the link from this particular image on our clipboard. The second step is a little more interesting. I want you to go on Google Chrome and look for this app over here. It's called inflact.com, okay? You want to click on it, and when you're at inflact.com, you want to scroll down and paste the link from the image that we just copied, right? Then you want to click download photo. Usually the processing time is very fast, and as you can see over here, there is the image. I want you to be very careful when you actually clicking on the download buttons, not only on this app, but when you're using third-party software to download videos or pictures. You gotta be very careful. Some of these ads on these places or pages are not the actual download button, okay? So be very careful, very mindful when you're clicking the download button. But this is how you download pictures, high quality, as you can see, from Instagram for free. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.